So hello and welcome back. In today's video we're looking at the fossils that we found at the Red Cliffs Lookout. A video done quite a while ago. And as you can see, this does have the red clays. So I have found some information. They said it's red clays, but I reckon it's probably clay and silt. And the first thing you can see, there is a bivalve. So as this formation is supposed to be 10,000 years and younger, these fossils in here should be recent, probably a few hundred years probably. So this was found at the top of the formation on the path where it is currently being eroded. So if it was down further in the formation towards the river, so water level, it would probably be a few thousand years older. And there's another thing is that there's lots of concrete there. So this is concrete broken up, probably from a former path, footpath or something like that. And as you can see, it's quartz. It looks like it has basalt, probably some more quartz, probably has feldspar, but I'm not too sure what the combination of this concrete is. Looks like a limestone matrix as well. So, you know, to the untrained person, these look pretty similar. And I picked up a few of these concrete blocks because some of them are quite big. And it's only until you actually look at it that you see that it is not shells. So when you go there, make sure you don't pick up the concrete by mistake. And here's another one. So this is actually quite hard. So I think it's for this stuff on the top of the formation is being calcreted. So it's been thoroughly cemented with calcium carbonate. And you can look up calcrete. So here's a... See, it's a bit hard to take out. It's very hard. So it looks like a quartz, rounded. And the quartz would actually have to come from some way upriver, or the basement rock of Silurian sandstone. But I'm going to give it more upriver, over towards Mountain Bacchus Marsh, because there is a lot of exposure of Ordovician rock, and a lot of it has quartz veins in it. So that's where that comes from. Let's have a look at this one. So this is a small one. So you look, see that has a lot of quartz in it, but then you've got the shells on the other side. So that's how you can get confused with the concrete. So you've got shell there, you've got the quartz or feldspar, and this is another piece. I did see a gastropod before, so a snail. No. Okay, so where I found this formation was pretty much right here. So where this bend goes around, this is a formation, and it is QRA. And it's also QPD. So QRA, QRC. So that means quaternary. And a lot of the clays probably would have come from the pink area, which is the basalt, so that does form clays. But also you got, if we go upriver, so you got an extensive clay layer, but underneath the clay you got this Silurian or Ordovician rock. So if we go, so we're still going up river, and as you can see you got a lot of different rocks. So you got the Ordovician, got the Permian, so you got Permian here, got Ordovician, got more tertiary, quaternary. So you've got all different types of rock, and a lot of this blue up here is the actual sandstone, siltstone, mudstone. and you get a lot of quartz in this type of rock, quartz veins. So that's where probably a lot of the quartzes come from. And also, this basement rock is also a lot of the Ordovician. Okay, so here's the gastropod I saw before. As you can see, it's been weathered. So that is pretty much a fossil you don't want to keep, but you do want to identify it. And there's not that many sources that actually have a comprehensive guide of fossils or even just marine life that exists around the Port Phillip Bay that you need to search for. So the only reference book I have with any type of sea life is this one. So this one has a possum on it. I think it's a I'm not too sure what possum it is. But anyway, this is by CSIRO. Pretty good book. But if you go to the back, alright, the train's coming. So you have life that exists in the ocean. So that's gastropod. Where is it again? Okay. Probably could be something like this. Kelp shell. Fascinotrucus. And it could be like this species here. That just get too complicated. Then we got fish. So the actual bivalve that we have, I'm not too sure what species it is. So it could be Donax. It doesn't look like it's going to be that. It looks like the pericles more developed. Yep. So could be one of these. I'd say it's more likely something like that. Cockles. Yeah. It doesn't look like it's actually in this book. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is gonna break this open, see what the inside is like. Okay, let's see if we can break this open without breaking the actual concrete slab. Oh yeah, it's quite easy. And as you can see, it's pretty porous. Has a lot of sand grains cemented. Yeah, a lot of silicon with calcium. So the broken up calcium carbonate from the plants has been the actual cement. And as you can see, there's another shell. It's pretty much, it does look like the concrete. Looks like it has a ferrigneous layer. So some iron. That's the clay on the outside. Which is high in iron. So here might actually be, don't know what that is, gastropod. And looks like it might be a gastropod. You need to excavate it slowly, so you need to remove the matrix. But it looks like it might be actually a complete fossil. So maybe I'll try and prepare that out. But yeah, as you can see, oh, I broke the shell in half. Oh well, what a pity. Doesn't matter really. Plenty more where you get it from. There's another gastropod there. But anyway, this shows you the fossil concretions that you can get from the Red Cliff Lookout. And there was plenty of this there. A lot of it is pretty hard to take out, but there's like really massive slabs. Probably, yeah, it's probably like slabs as big as this. You know, probably even bigger. You'd need probably a shovel or something to take it out. But anyway, if you want to get some fossils, then this is a good place to get it. I hope this helps you with your fossil collecting. Sorry I can't identify any of the actual fossils in it. Maybe in the future I will be able to. And also I can't really find any geological information on this place anyway. So thank you very much and have an awesome fossil collecting and just a geological experience. Thank you and goodbye.